broke the gum.
Hey, wait for me, Dad!
Call.
Wait for me, Daddy!
You call. My phone says that you call.
Huh? Come on, Dad.
Call me what?
Praise the Lord! Down to the Lord!
What did you say? What did you say?
Nothing.
You said something. Are you preaching?
No.
How does Eddie preach? You know how he preaches.
No.
You said it right now.
He even looked like him on Easter.
Did you tell Jamie you wore a suit?
I don't. I hate suits.
Why?
Because I hate them. Look, I made a fish, Mama.
Fish?
Yeah. Hey! There's some stick to my fish.
To your what?
To my fish.
It looks like a peanut.
Oh yeah, it do look like peanut. I haven't made a peanut. I made a peanut. Wait, don't look like a peanut.
Looks like a peanut like Harry's head. High five, Dada.
Wait, I made a peanut.
High five. Down low. Move its face. Extend your face.
Stop! There's Josh, I made a snake. Josh, stop!
Tessie.
Josh, I made a snake.
yours? When's mine?
The light in here.
Very good. Do you still remember your colors?
No.
Red?
Azul.
No, red.
Azul.
Red.
Azul.
Rojo.
Rojo.
Green.
Verde.
Yellow.
Amarillo.
Orange.
Anaranjado.
Black.
Negro.
White.
Blanco.
Brown.
Café.
Take your hand out of me.
Pink.
Pink.
Rosa.
Gold.
Café.
Gold. Gold.
Dorado.
Take your fingers out of your mouth.
No.
Silver.
Ladada.
Alright, you did a great job. Are we done with all of them?
No orange.
You said orange. Did you say orange?
Yeah.
Oh, blue?
No, we made it blue.
What is it?
It's azul.
Blue. Very good. Did we say purple? Purple?
Dorado.
Very good.
Now pink.
Pink? You said pink.
Let's say it again.
Okay, say it again.
Rosa.
Rosa.
Oh, you're on this one. Rosa.
Baby blue. Oh, baby blue.
Yeah.
What is it?
Celeste.
Take your fingers out and say
Celeste.
Celeste. Okay.
I always thought it was azul de bebé. Look at my nose. No, I like it.
You don't come out.
I want the drum noise.
Put it in the paper.
Mom, I did pin the paper. Did you do white?
Yeah.
I did do it. I did pin the paper.
You just gonna call it.
No.
Yeah.
You're gonna
Yeah.
the one that wants to.
Yeah.
What she wants from you.
No.
Huh. Give me here.
Put it right there. I'll get it right now.
That's mine.
You weren't even using it.
That's my bus.
You weren't.
I was losing it.
No, you weren't even using it. It was on the
Your
same.
big brother. You're gonna take off this piece of. I'm gonna call the cops.
No.
911.
That's something in my blanket.
Hello? Cops. George's being a little retard. Can you come get him? Okay, they're coming.
I will fight the cops. Like the other day. I will fight them in the face. And beat them up. Teach them words. Dad, when they touch down with me, and they win the chest champ,
Cool.
the top,
And then?
and the bad eyes fight them, and they win the chest champ, and then they win the house in blue,
Really?
and the sun, and it's hot, and they bend the eyes.
Where did you see that? In a dream?
No, that's a movie.
Oh, that was the movie.
It's a movie.
Who's that?
Oh, boy, that movie just got it.
The movie surprised
He just buckled himself again.